Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can create a quote in Xero. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just go right top corner to the plus, create new, and click on quote. And when you're gonna do it, you just want to add a customer here. I am basket case, for example. You can also change the theme here, or you can edit the theme. I'll show you where. You just add here the title and summary if you have some item, right? You can also add a new line, some terms, and then you just like click save or just send it. And this is pretty much it. Now, what I wanted to show you is where you can find actually, click on business and invoices, go to choose whatever invoice you got, go to invoice settings. Now, when you are here, you just want to go and mirror invoice always, options, edit, and you can simply edit it here, the theme, or create a new one. That's like really up to you. And you can simply change the invoice here. So thank you very much. This is how you can create a quote in Xero. You just send it. And have a great day and goodbye. I just need to add the text right here.